Hello students. So today we will start with this topic, that is force. So what is force? It is a pull or push which may or may not change the position of the object. So maybe if the force applied is more, in that case the object will change its position. If inertia is more in that body, inertia of rest is more in that body, then we are not able to move that object. Let me share with the help of one example. Suppose we are pushing a ball, but it is not possible for us to push. Why? Because of energy of rest is more. So that is why I am saying that it is a push or pull which may or may not. So that is called a force. Next is energy. Inertia means natural tendency of the object to resist a change in the state of rest or motion. What is the meaning of that? It means that कोई भी बॉडी अपनी मर्जी से ना तो रेस्ट से मोशन में आ सकती है और ना ही मोशन से रेस्ट में जा सकती है. क्या करना? We have to apply the force. That is the meaning of inertia. So inertia is either at rest, inertia is either in motion, and inertia is either also in a direction. So inertia का मतलब होता है कि let us cite with one example. Suppose we have a stone and mass of the stone is approximately, let it be 10 kg, and I told to one student that push that stone. What will happen? It will move because it is a 10 kg. So it is easy for all the students to move. If I ask the students of that center, so they definitely we are able to move that object. But if I replace that object with 1000 kg, what will happen? Mass will become more. So if mass is more, so in that case it is not possible for you and also not possible for me to displace that object. Why? Because mass is more. It means that more is the mass, more is the inertia. Lesser is the mass, lesser will be the inertia. So that is why I am saying that mass of the body measure the inertia. Means अगर मास ज़्यादा होगा तो एनर्जिया भी ज़्यादा रहेगा, और अगर मास कम होगा तो एनर्जिया भी कम रहेगा वहाँ पे. सो देयरफॉर दैट इज व्हाई आई एम रिटन हियर लेस मास लेस एनर्जिया, more mass more energy. So this is all about inertia and this is about force. Now the inertia is of three types. तीन तरह के होते हैं. First is inertia of rest, inertia of motion and inertia of direction. So let me start with the first, inertia of rest. Rest का मतलब है कि nobody can change the position of the rest by itself. अपनी मर्जी से, पहले भी मैंने बताया, तो अभी फिर से वही डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि अपनी मर्जी से बॉडी पोजीशन चेंज नहीं कर सकते. जैसे सपोज दिस ए पेन एंड इफ आई पुट दिस पेन ऑन दिस at this place, what will happen? It is remain as it is. Why it is so? Because inertia is there. I am not applying. When I apply the force, then it will, I am capable to carry this pen. So this is called inertia of rest. Means a body cannot change the position by itself from the state of rest. That is called inertia of rest. So let me cite this with the help of one example. So let me explain this with example, so it is better to understand. When we shake the branches of the tree, in that case apple or any other fruit will fall down, but will happen in that case. So I want to share with you that when I shake the branch, in that case branches come in motion, but that fruit is remain at rest due to the energy of rest. So इसका एक और example, one more example. When we beat a carpet with a stick, in that case the carpet come in motion, but the dust particle remain at rest. Why it is so? Because जब हम कारपेट को किसी स्टिक के साथ बीट करेंगे तो कारपेट तो आगे चली जाएगा, बट जो डस्ट पार्टिकल कारपेट के अंदर थे वो क्या करेंगे? वो वहीं के वहीं रहने वाले हैं. दे विल नॉट मूव फर्दर, वो आगे नहीं जाएंगे. सो दैट इज वाई दे आर this is happening, it is only because of the dust particle is remain at rest. That is the second application of the energy of rest. Third application I written here, we fall in backward direction when bus suddenly start. So when a bus suddenly start, in that case what will happen, I will share with you that when bus suddenly start, so divide our body into two parts. One part that is in touch with the seat and other upper part that is not in touch with the seat. So when the bus suddenly start, in that case our lower part जो बस के साथ टच में था that come in motion, but the upper part जो हमारा ऊपर वाला हिस्सा है that is remain in the state of rest. क्यों है रेस्ट में? Because of energy of rest. So that is why, तो हम रेस्ट में रह गए, नीचे वाला पार्ट जो हमारा आगे चला जाएगा तो हम पीछे हो गिरते हैं. So that is why this is only because of the energy of rest. Second type is energy of motion. Energy of motion, let me cite with this, that is state of motion by itself. Body cannot change. That is कोई भी बॉडी जो है मोशन में है, अपनी मर्जी से नहीं रुकेगी. जैसे कोई बस चली हुई है, कुछ भी चला हुआ है, if we apply the brake then it will stop, otherwise ये रुकेगी. But frictional force is some other factor may be there, but if there is no friction force or some other factors are not there, वो चलती ही रहेगी. We will discuss later what है. तो ये हो क्यों रहा है कि मोशन में है तो मोशन में ही चलती रहती है. सो इट इज ओनली बिकॉज एनर्शिया ऑफ मोशन में हम फोर्स अप्लाई ही नहीं करेंगे तो वो रुकेगी कैसे? इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एनर्शिया ऑफ मोशन, की बॉडी चलती ही जाएगी. सो लेट मी शेयर दैट एग्जाम्पल अगेन. I am going to take the example of when we are sitting in the bus and bus is moving with some velocity. So in that case what will happen? When bus is suddenly stop, एकदम से जब बस रुक गई तो उस टाइम क्या होता है, आई विल शेयर. फिर से हमारी बॉडी के दो पार्ट्स, एक ऐसा पार्ट है जो बस के साथ टच में है और एक ऐसा पार्ट है जो बस से ऊपर वाला हिस्सा है, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक. ये बस से टच में नहीं है, फ्री होता है. तो जैसे ही बस चली हुई है 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से चली हुई थी और उसने एकदम से ब्रेक लगा दी. सो इन दैट केस व्हाट विल हैपन? बस तो चली हुई थी, इसका मतलब जैसे बस चली हुई थी, अवर लोअर पार्ट इज आल्सो मूविंग विद दैट वेलोसिटी, अपर पार्ट इज आल्सो मूविंग विद दैट वेलोसिटी. बट बस व्हेन बस सडनली स्टॉप, तो बस रुक गई, हमारा लोअर पार्ट भी रुक गया, लेकिन जो अपर पार्ट है वो क्या करता रहेगा? दैट इज कंटिन्यू टू मूव विद द सेम वेलोसिटी, दैट इज 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर व्हेन बस सडनली स्टॉप इन दैट केस. सो दैट इज वाई जो ऊपर वाला पार्ट है वो मूव करता रहेगा. तो इन दैट केस वी विल फॉल इन दी फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन, हम आगे को गिरते हैं. सो दिस इज द सेकंड एप्लीकेशन. आई आल्सो वांट टू शेयर वन मोर एप्लीकेशन व्हेन वी जंप फ्रॉम ए मूविंग बस. दैट इज नॉट गुड, बट इन सम केसेस कम्स going for that one. So when we jump out of because it is not safe, so out of the bus, when suddenly they jump from the moving bus, in that case what will happen? When our feet touch the ground, so our lower part accidentally at once एकदम से that come in the state of rest, और ऊपर वाला part जो है that is continue to move with the whatever the velocity of the bus. That is why we fall forward in that case. We will discuss later in the concept of force कि हम कैसे गिरते हैं, आगे को गिरते हैं पैसे या पीछे को गिरते हैं. We will discuss later. लेकिन इसमें भी सेम कंसेप्ट है कि जैसे ही हमने बस से जंप लिया तो लेते ही क्या है, हमारा नीचे वाले जो फीट हैं वो ग्राउंड के साथ टच में आ जाएंगे. तो जैसे ही ग्राउंड के साथ टच में आएंगे, इन दैट केस अवर लोअर पार्ट जो है वो that come in the state of rest, but upper part remains to move, continue to move with whatever the velocity of the bus. That is why we will fall in that case also. Third application is inertia of direction. So inertia of direction is mean that if bus it take a sudden turn, in that case what will happen? We fall in this way or in this way. So why it is happening? Because body always try to move along the straight path. Body cannot change its direction by itself. That is called inertia of direction. This is called inertia of direction. So when bus take a sudden turn, so in that case our lower part take the turn, but upper part continue to move along the straight path. So that is why we fall it away from the turn. So in this way, we can explain all the concept, that is what is the meaning of inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction. So hope you enjoy what I shared with you, and but one more thing I want to share with you, that if you understand the concept, read more and more. Read but with understanding. What I shared with you, you see it again, but try to understand what I want to say, because that is the main thing. If you are seeing the video, okay, sir is giving the lecture to us and just enjoying the lecture, but this is not good. You enjoy the lecture, but what I discussed with you, you understand that. So daily with these 2 to 3 I shared with you. So I hope that you will continue to be study at home during this lockdown, and study more and more, because it is not possible to meet maybe for next 1 month. So you have to be study by yourself. So thank you very much.